Papaya leaves has incredible health and skin benefits. It is rich in enzymes, like papain and chymotrypsin, which aid digestion, prevents bloating, and other digestive disorders. The strong alkaloid, available in the leaves, works effectively against fighting dandruff and balding, which works both for human and monkeys. It is a rich source of vitamins A, C, E, K, and B, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, sodium magnesium, and iron. Papaya leaf juice contributes significantly in the production of platelets and increase the platelet count, which helps in treating dengue fever. The leaves are a rich source of a compound called acetogenin, which has anti-malarial properties and can help in preventing malaria and dengue. Papaya leaf can heal and prevent jaundice and liver cirrhosis due to its enzymes papain and chymotrypsin. It also helps in treating constipation, stomach ulcers, and cleans the colon. These leaves are a rich source of protease and amylase, which helps in digestion and can heal peptic ulcers. The leaves are used in folk medicine as a natural therapy for treating diabetes and can regulate the production of insulin. Many village women use papaya leaves to treat menstrual cramps and can heal abdominal pain during a period. It not only treats menstrual cramps, but helps in regulate menstruation cycles, and a pregnant woman should not eat it. The presence of carpain in a papaya leaf clean the toxins from the skin and can make our skin healthier and radiant. Ethnopharmacology, the enzymes in papaya leaf can prevent liver cancer, lung cancer, pancreatic cancer, and breast cancer by boosting anti-cancer properties. As you can see in this video, how the monkey is eating the papaya leaf, and these monkeys used to eat it regularly for a better immune system, which provide protection from many kinds of diseases.